In this video, we are going to learn transposition of matrices and vectors. The transpose of an M cross N matrix A is the N cross M matrix A transpose that has the first row of A as its first column, the second row of A as its second column, and so on. Now take an example. Let A is equal to a matrix having rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, A transpose has columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A matrix has order 2 by 3 and A transpose has order 3 by 2. Now let's take more example. Let B is equal to the matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Then B transpose is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Let C is equal to an row vector 1, 4, 7. Then C transpose is column vector having column 1, 4, 7. Let's take one more example. Let D is equal to an column vector 2, 4. Then D transpose is a row vector 2, 4. Let F is equal to a square matrix 1, 2, 4, 7. Then F transpose is 1, 2, 4, 7. Now properties for transposition. First property, transpose of a transpose is a matrix. Second property, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. For a scalar K into A transpose is K into A transpose. And last one, A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Remember that A into B transpose is not equal to A transpose into B transpose in general. In the next video, we are going to learn symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix.